Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader here with a video on how to grow your sweet potatoes. All right, you guys, so y'all know I done did probably pretty much every method. I done sowed my potatoes directly into the soil. I done did the method of the toothpick in the jars, and I have done this method before, and I'm going to do it again because I think this is a great way to start your sweet potato slips. All you have to do, you guys, is lay your sweet potatoes, whether they store-bought or you ordered them online or you bought them in the stores, because I know Lowe's have them and Walmart have them as well. You guys, all you have to do is sow your potato in there, wait for your slips to be created, wait till you start seeing your vines, check your potato, and pull those roots right off that potato and leave that potato in that soil. Now, when you are doing this method, you can actually cover up lightly your potatoes. It doesn't have to be a super thick layer. Some people like to leave theirs and tuck them in like they, like that. But you can also do that, but you can also do a light covering of soil with them. So when you are doing this method, also do not fill this your trays, whatever you using, to the point where your sweet potatoes could rot from too much water. You want your soil to be moist but not overly moist. Okay, so you can do this method in plastic bins. You can get them from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General. You could get the clear ones to where you can see at the bottom of them. But I am using my aluminum pans because most of my plastic trays that I had used from those stores, the heat get to them and they crack. So this is what you can do. You can try this method. I do like this method. And just keep it moist but not overly watered. And again, you can tuck them in if you want, but I'm going to actually put another layer of soil and cover them up. So again, some people like to just tuck them in, leave them exposed a little bit, and that works too. But I'm going to try the method of covering them up and see how that works. So you guys, don't be distracted. We got work to do, you guys. We got a whole lot of stuff going on around in this world, not just this country, this world. So please stay focused. Do what you need to do. Get your chickens, get your seeds, and get to work, you guys. We got work to do. We all are working hard to become self-sustainable, self-sufficient. So get out there, sow some seeds in the rain, plant you some potatoes, and let's get ready to survive, you guys. All right, this is SEK. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to grow sweet potatoes and start your potatoes inside or in your greenhouse. Grow wherever you can, you guys. All right, SEK the Homesteader. See you guys on the next video. Peace.